Welcome back to Apex Motive Cars. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2026 Ford Fusion, a bold return of a fan-favorite sedan with a fresh twist. Ford has reimagined the Fusion to align with modern drivers' expectations, combining a sleek, aerodynamic design with advanced hybrid and plug-in hybrid technologies. The new Fusion features a sporty front grille, crisp LED lighting, and smooth lines that give it a premium look well beyond its price point. With its redefined purpose, it's clear Ford is targeting both environmentally conscious drivers and those who appreciate style and substance in equal measure. The Fusion is now more than just a commuter car, it's a compelling option in the evolving mid-size segment. Inside, the 2026 Fusion offers a refined and futuristic cabin that balances comfort with cutting-edge technology. The spacious interior boasts premium materials, a soft-touch dashboard, and ambient lighting that sets a relaxing tone. At the center is a large 13.2-inch touchscreen running the latest S1C infotainment system, paired with a fully digital driver display for a connected driving experience. Higher trims feature extras like heated and ventilated front seats, wireless phone charging, and a crystal-clear B&O audio system. Rear seat passengers aren't left out either, with impressive legroom and comfort ideal for long journeys. The new Fusion's interior is built to impress both drivers and passengers alike. The 2026 Fusion comes with multiple powertrain options that prioritize efficiency and versatility. The base model offers a reliable 2.5-liter hybrid engine that delivers excellent fuel economy, making it ideal for daily driving. For those seeking a bit more punch, a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine is also expected to be available, giving the Fusion a sportier edge. An optional all-wheel drive system ensures better grip and control in challenging conditions. Ford has fine-tuned the suspension and steering for a smoother, more responsive drive, while transmission choices include a refined CVT or an 8-speed automatic depending on the variant. Whether you're cruising through the city or hitting the highway, the Fusion offers a balanced, capable performance. On the road, the 2026 Fusion feels impressively smooth and composed. Thanks to better chassis tuning and soundproofing, the cabin remains quiet even at higher speeds. The suspension system absorbs road imperfections effectively, delivering a ride that's both comfortable and confident. Steering is responsive, and body roll is minimal, making the Fusion feel more agile than you'd expect from a mid-size sedan. Ford's Co-Pilot 360 suite comes standard, offering advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist. Whether navigating through traffic or cruising on open roads, the Fusion provides a secure and relaxed driving experience. To sum it all up, the 2026 Ford Fusion is a well-rounded, forward-thinking sedan that successfully blends practicality with premium features. Ford has taken a familiar name and transformed it into a modern-day contender that's ready for the future. With its sharp design, spacious and tech-rich interior, versatile powertrains, and smooth driving dynamics, the Fusion checks all the right boxes. It's perfect for families, professionals, and anyone looking for a smart and stylish ride. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more reviews here on Apex Motive Cars. Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.